The first page you'll see when you open GoFigure is the Jobs List page. From here, you can enter your company's info and select a custom logo to be transferred to your proposals. To get started, choose Add New Project, enter your client's information, then hit Save. To work with that project, simply touch on the name in your jobs list. To use GoFigure, you'll need a Spike device mounted to your iPad, as well as the GoFigure and Spike apps. With those installed, turn on your Spike device and hit the camera button. Then walk around your client's house, taking a picture of each side of the house. When you're done, hit the checkbox, and the photos will be imported into the job details page. To work with one of these photos, simply touch on it, and the first thing we're going to do is align the photo. When you choose Align, you'll see the alignment rectangle appear on your screen. Using the four corners, stretch out the alignment rectangle to match that side of the house. Make the two sides parallel to the corner boards, and the top and bottom parallel to the eave and the bottom siding course. Then hit the Done button. GoFigure will rectify the image and scale that photo. Now you're ready to start working with this picture. First, go to Add Items. Choose the type of item to work with. We'll be doing siding first, so I'll choose Area, Siding, and Wood Claps. Once you've chosen an item, the touchscreen is now active. You can touch anywhere, start dropping points, go around and highlight the areas that you're looking to measure. When you complete the box, come back to your first point, GoFigure will tell you how many squares of siding are on this side of the house. 5.79. Now, to do some trim, we'll go back to Add Item. This time we'll choose Linear, Trim, and Wood Trim. And again, now the touch screen is active, and we'll simply touch to drop points to go around, highlight the areas we're looking to measure. When you want to terminate this line to start another, simply long press on that last point, and you'll get the line terminated pop-up. Now we can start another line anywhere in this photo. Do window trim. Zoom into the window and touch the four corners. If you have a line that you don't want, simply hit the Undo button. This also applies when you're doing the alignment rectangle, and if the photo comes out skewed, simply hit the Undo button and it'll take off whatever you've created in error. Now that we've created window trim for one window, we're going to long press on this trim. That's going to call up this dialog box. Now we can delete it, but for Windows, what we want to use is Duplicate Object. That's going to create another window trim right next to the first. And we just grab anywhere on the line and pull it into place. And we're going to keep doing this on the side of the house. So essentially we only draw one window, then we duplicate the others. This is a quick and easy way to get very, very accurate numbers on your trim, even if there's a lot of windows. Now we'll go to Count. Let's go to Add Item and choose Count. And under Miscellaneous, we'll choose Exterior Lights. And again, it's now active, and I'm just going to touch anywhere I see an exterior light. Now, as we were doing our takeoff of the siding, trim, and lights, let's go back to job details and see what GoFigure was doing in the background. Each time we choose an item from the drop-down menus, GoFigure is going to build a proposal with a paragraph of contract language for each item we've chosen. You can see there's already a number because it's already priced out the whole project. Go to the worksheet. You can enter pricing for any item simply by touching that item in the worksheet. Hit save, and as you go around doing your takeoff, it will increase the quantity of each of these items and multiply it out by the pricing you've put in there. We also have the bid package export being built in the background as we're doing our takeoff. And this is basically a job report on every job we bid. This will show you each side of the house where you've done a takeoff. It'll show the pricing associated with it. It'll show a copy of the contract. You can simply go to the arrow in the top right-hand corner, email it back to the office. You can stay out in the field selling. And that's a quick overview of how GoFigure works.